Using Bank of Baroda mini statement is an essential service offered by the bank to its customers, allowing them to keep track of their account transactions. This tutorial will guide you through the benefits and process of using Bank of Baroda mini statement. Firstly, a mini statement is a condensed version of your account statement, providing details of the last few transactions. To access your mini statement, you can visit the nearest Bank of Baroda ATM, insert your card, and select the mini statement option. You can also access it through the bank's mobile banking app or by giving a missed call to the designated number. The key benefits of using Bank of Baroda mini statement include convenience, as you can access your account information anytime and anywhere. It also helps you keep track of your account balance and transaction history, enabling you to manage your finances effectively. Additionally, it saves time and effort, as you do not need to visit the bank or wait for your physical statement to arrive. To use the mini statement service, ensure that your mobile number is registered with the bank, as this is a prerequisite for accessing the service. You should also be aware of the transaction limit and the number of transactions that can be viewed in the mini statement. Best practices for using Bank of Baroda mini statement include regularly checking your account balance and transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. You should also keep your account details and transaction information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. In conclusion, using Bank of Baroda mini statement is a convenient and efficient way to manage your account and stay on top of your finances. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can take advantage of this service and enjoy the benefits it offers. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your transactions regularly to ensure a safe and hassle-free banking experience.